Hello, everyone. The mechanicals are having a play date with Barry and Carrie. Oops! Are you both okay? Barry and Carrie have dented their bumpers.
That was quite some boo-boo.
Oh, don't worry, you two. We'll soon get you both mended.
But you can only fix one bus at a time, Gecko. Why don't I repair Barry's bumper? Remember, every job is quickly done, so Weasel's Wheels is #1.
Are you sure, Barry? Well, okay then. I'll get to work on Carrie. Good luck, Barry.
Luck? Oh, you want to make it a competition? Sure. Whoever does the best job is the winner. Ready? Go!
How do you like your new bumper, Carrie?
You call that a bumper? Check this out!
Wow! Well done, Mr. Weasel. Barry's bumper is actually really cool.
I'm the winner! I'm the best!
This bumper's been glued on.
Yes! But it looked good.
It did. Hey, let's fix Barry together and make a bumper for Carrie.
Really? I mean, sure, I suppose.
What tools do we need?
Huh?
Drill! Polish! Gecko's Garage, time to fix. Gecko's Garage, let's fix this! OK, Mr. Weasel. To fix the bumper on right, use a drill to fasten the bolts tight. It's most important to be safe when bumping, but you can also be safe when the party is pumping. That's right, Mr. Weasel. A quick buff to shine. Fixing together has worked out just fine.
How about a dancing competition then? I'm sure to win that.
You're wrong. Oh, goodbye, everyone.